In this video, we'll show you how to flush the DNS cache in macOS. Before we proceed, it's important to note that flushing the DNS, Domain Name System cache, can be beneficial if you're encountering difficulties accessing certain websites. And yes, it's different from clearing the web cache in a browser. Now, press Command and Spacebar to open Spotlight Search on your Mac. Type Terminal and press Return to open it. Then input this command and press Return. Keep in mind that you won't receive a success message after executing the command. But you can check the problematic website to see if the issue has been resolved. Now that you've learned how to clear the DNS cache on macOS, let's elevate your tech knowledge. Subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of our specially curated videos just for you.